Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, we are going to take a look at Ethos Car Care's interior detailer. Let's do it. So if you guys like videos that involve detailing products, detailing videos, find out how good a product works, find out which products are good, which products suck, whatever, consider hitting that subscribe button down below this video and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. So Ethos Car Care sent me this product several months back when they sent me their product lineup. So that does make this a sponsored video. It is not a paid sponsorship, but it is a sponsored video. I want to thank Ethos for sending these to me. The interior detailer cleans and protects all interior surfaces. There I go talking fast, you guys, I'm sorry, I always do that. It says it's safe for all interior surfaces, non-greasy, factory matte finish. That's very important to me. I like just a clean look. I do not want a shiny dash. That's me. If this is not shiny when I get done doing it and you like a shiny dash, then this product isn't for you. But if you like a matte finish like most people do, we'll find out what this stuff looks like. Provides UV and odor protection, so that's kind of different. It's going to be odor and protected from the UV. Removes light dust, fingerprints, smudges, and grime. And the absolute best part about this whole thing is it is made in the USA. Love that, absolutely love it. So basically it does say, best used on lightly used surfaces. For deep cleaning, we recommend using their all-purpose cleaner, so keep that in mind. I've already cleaned the interior of my truck. I did not use Ethos interior cleaner. I made a separate video on a detailing brush that I used, and I cleaned the whole interior of my truck. It was pretty bad. Now we just want to lay some protection on it. It does say spray product directly onto a microfiber cleaning towel to prevent unwanted overspray. Wipe interior surface evenly and deliberately until desired cleaning finish is achieved. Remove any excess product with a clean and dry microfiber towel. So we're gonna do it on my 2013 Ram 1500, and let's just find out what this product does. All right, you guys, Junior is the cameraman. That way we can get some good video in here. I know I'm kind of shadowed right now. You guys can't really see me, which is fine. It's probably better for you anyways. We're gonna go ahead and use it on the interior, and man, I'm excited to use this. It's kind of milky looking, but I was told it smells really good by Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf loved it in his video. So let's shake her up. We're gonna spray it directly into the towel. Let's just smell it. Oh, that smells extremely good. Oh, that smells amazing. Goes on nice and thin. Take it over to the dry side like it says. Perfect. There is no sheen to that at all. It just looks clean. It's what it looked like before I even sprayed it on there. So let's go down here so you guys can actually see it. You can see that there's no shine to this. It's just really clean, other than the stain back here I couldn't get out earlier. It's really clean. So we'll spray it onto the towel. Do 2 squirts. Look at that, it doesn't even look shiny when you put it on either, does it? And then go over to the dry side. Look at that, it still looks just like it did before. It's not greasy at all. It's just nice and clean. And that's exactly what I'm looking for in an interior product. All right, let's go and do some of these plastics up here. Around the shifter. My poor truck has been dirty for so long because of the move. It hasn't known what to do. So I'm going to show you guys this really quick. Let me see. Can you see where that's wet? Yeah. It flashed. See, it's gone. This stuff flashes really fast, which is really good for an interior. That's what for an interior detailer. You don't want a flash fasting product if you're cleaning, but you want a fast flashing product if you are just applying a detailer. You don't want it to stick around. I got some dirt in there. I tried to use the brush earlier. Let me see if I can get in there to get that. Oh well, I'll get that next time. My cars aren't perfect. The shifter looks great. Now here's the important part, the dash, because when you have a shiny dash and the sun hits it, it can blind you while you're driving. So you want to have a dash that is just clean and not greasy or shiny. You can see what I'm putting, man, that stuff smells so good. My goodness, that smells amazing. Whew, Papa Smurf, you were right, man. I mean, that looks fantastic. It's look good on the camera. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can definitely see it. Looks really, really good, you guys. Let's go ahead and just put it over here. Interior products are hard to film, so Junior's doing the best he can to get everything. Yeah, that works great. I'm gonna finish doing the whole interior and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right, you guys, I am all done. Very happy with it because it just looks new. No shine at all. Everything just looks new. And that's exactly what I want out of my interior detailers. That is a scuff, by the way. So if you're interested in trying this product, and I highly recommend trying this product, I will put links in the description of the video. One to Ethos Car Care's website where you can find this product. And if you use coupon code FABFAMILY, you can get 10% off your order. I will also include it in my Amazon store. I'll try to find on Amazon. It should be in there. Put in my Amazon store. If you guys want to buy it that way, you can go on through there. Just don't ever forget, when you do buy from my Amazon store, I do make a little bit of money off of each product sold. I always like to be upfront about that and let you guys know that. And I definitely recommend you going and trying this product. Either way, I would buy it. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for the Ethos interior detailer video. Fantastic. 2 thumbs up. It smells absolutely amazing. It leaves no sheen, shine. It's a matte finish, which is exactly what I want out of my interior detailers. Easy on, easy off. It flashes really fast, which is what you want out of a detailer. You wipe it on and you pretty much don't have to go back over it. I always do anyways, but you pretty much don't have to go back over it. And I use it on the door panels and the dash and the steering wheel, the shifter, I mean, everything. The center console and everything just looks brand new, and it's exactly what I love in an interior detailer product. So once again, Ethos comes through on another product. They are here to stay, you guys. Their products are absolutely amazing. And then I noticed something really quick. I noticed this when I was using it. So when I looked at the bottle, you know, I love their labeling. I always think it looks absolutely amazing. So then I really started looking, and right here is a window. There's like a window switch. This is a door panel right here, and this little stripe. I know that's small detail, but that's really cool on their labels that they do something like that. Now I gotta go look at their other ones and see if they have the same thing and showing like something else. So very good product, Ethos. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.